Hey guys, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be looking at this 2014 Ram 5500 6.7 diesel Aisin automatic transmission, 278,000 miles on it. It's got a Summit series body, 11 foot, 6620 crane, and a VanAir RC40 compressor. Everything on the truck works like it should. Truck's in pretty good condition. Came out of Arkansas, so really no rust to speak of. The goal of these walk-around videos is to show you everything about the truck that you'd want to see if you were here looking at it in person. I'll do my best to point out any imperfections that would be good to see. If there's anything you need more close-up pictures, videos, or information on, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. You have some wear on the console lid there. That's not a matching seat, so at some point they did replace that seat vinyl and didn't quite get it right. Again, it's a 2014 model. Later on in the video, I'll do a cold start, a drive, and a crane and compressor demonstration. So if that's what you're waiting on, feel free to skip ahead to that. The bed's in pretty good shape. It still has the factory paint. We did not have this one sandblasted or repainted. It was pretty solid when it came in. They did a good job with applying the bed liner on the front. The fronts of the bins are where we usually see a lot of rock chips and imperfections and whatnot. All the bin floors are solid. As you can see, the undercarriage is nice and dry. Stock emissions, as with all of our trucks. Again, extremely dry. Undercarriage, like I said, it came out of Arkansas. The drive tires are not new. The steers are. Drive tires still have plenty of tread life left on them. This is your torch compartment here. One thing to note that I'll show later on in the video is that all the compartments have LED factory Summit light strips in them, which is pretty nice. They provide plenty of light. Really a well-equipped truck. A little bit of paint failure here in between the hinges, and you have a gouge there, a scratch there, another scratch there, a little bit of paint failure there. Like I said, it was in pretty good shape when it came in. Some minor stuff, but really for a truck with 278,000 miles, the paint's still in really good shape. Here's a shot of the bed tag here. As you can see, completely dry underneath, pretty good tread on the drives. Got a nice set of these Granite bolt drawers here. Full set, not missing any drawers. Factory shelving here. The truck does have exterior lighting as well. There's a light there and two lights on the back that do not work. There's crane lighting and other side lighting and bed lighting. All that other lighting does work. Hydraulic outriggers, factory wireless remote. Here's your control panel for all the lighting, outriggers, compressor switch. You have one hose reel down here that comes out of the back right here, so you can close and seal that up. Keep your air hose out of the elements there. Workbench rear bumper, 2 steps on the back, factory tow hitch receiver. Shot of the load chart here. So 21 feet max reach, dual stage hydraulic extension, 6,000 pounds maximum lifting capacity. This back plate looks like it got hit with something at some point. Crane operates great, nice and smooth operation. You got these metal racks in the bed, you could just take those out. That's your hydraulic tank up front. There's your VanAir RC40 hydraulic compressor, and this toolbox as well. You could probably just remove. I don't think it's doing anybody any good. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. All the doors close, latch, and lock nicely. All the doors are keyed the same, and we do have the keys for the service body. another set of shelves in this compartment here. Again, besides being a little dirty, all the bin floors are completely free of rust. A little bit more paint failure in between these hinges as well. One more shelf in this compartment. You have a full set of granite drawers in this compartment. So that's about it for the cosmetic walk around. We'll get into the cold start, the drive, and the demo. As I mentioned, if you have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. One more thing that I'm just seeing, I wanted to point out. There are some rock chips up in the hood. Nothing out of the ordinary, but again, I just like to point out anything that I notice as I'm walking around. All right, we'll get into the cold start and the demonstration. Truck has some lighting on it. There's a couple lights that don't work, so I just hit them all on. You have the lighting on the crane tip up there. This front lighting. strobe up top. This side light, these two back lights do not work. You have the lighting in the bed compartment as well. And then you have two more lights on this side of the bed. The truck is also equipped with LED light strips inside every service body bin. You can see the reflection there. So every compartment has LED light strips. There's one button to turn all the compartment lighting on, and they all turn on at once. So one button, all your bins are lit. Truck has hydraulic outriggers. It's a manual extension. In and out, you pull the pin and then pull the outrigger. It's hydraulic extension up and down. Wireless controller operates the compressor. Obviously you have your one hose reel here, spits out at the back of the truck. Compressor works great, builds air pretty quick, quiet. Crane is fully proportional. You can control how fast the crane moves. This is wide open, as I'm doing it here. Pretty fast, very smooth operation on the crane. Winch is nice and quick as well. Two-stage hydraulic extension out to a maximum of 20 feet. See, I can slow it down. So that's slow, and then that's wide open. So it really moves pretty fast if you open it up. Oh, got it twisted up there. slop in the rotation gear. Very smooth crane. Hey, thanks again for watching. Again, this is a 2014 Ram 5500, 278,000 miles, Summit Series service body, 6620 crane, RC40, VanAir PTO driven compressor, one set of drawers, one set of bolt drawers. If you have any questions, call or text anytime, 804-716-8487. This is all that we buy and sell. We have all different sizes, configurations available. If you're looking for something different, feel free to give us a shout. We do have financing, and we can ship anywhere in the US. Thanks for watching.